my goodness. Is this how dry?
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Ben from Flawless Cleaning, and today I've got a treat for you. So basically, about 6 months ago I cleaned for Alvira and Donald, but it's now January the 11th, so I'm going back there today to give them their money back. So it might be a bit of an interesting one. So you're going to watch a clean from about 6 months ago, and then before I started Flawless Blessings, where I donate my time to help others, and I'm going to go back today, give them their money back, a few other little treats and stuff like that. I don't know how it's going to go. Doesn't always go to plan these videos, but it's a feel good Friday video, so come and join me and let's get cracking. Right, here we go, no more doom and gloom. Check that grime line out. Oosh. I don't need a chair. Thank you though.
If you put this down, I'll give you the tray in a minute.
Oh, bless you.
You can do it how you like.
Oh my god.
And you stand.
Yeah, otherwise I get too comfortable. You get me biscuits as
Then
well.
you don't want to, yeah.
And then I won't get back up. I'll be just too relaxed then.
Okay, fine.
Thank you for your kindness.
Yeah.
Check this out for tea time. Wow. I've got like 3 biscuits, way too much sugar, but absolutely loving this. Thank you very much.
goodness. Is this how dry? It is it?
Right, so let's go surprise Alvira and Donald. Old Bexley Soap are getting involved this week and they've given a diffuser. I've gone to the bakery, got some sweet treats, and obviously I'll be handing back the money for the cleaning. So really excited to see how this goes. Come join me. Donald, you alright? It's Ben. I was wondering, is Alvira in as well?
Yes, she's coming.
No, come in.
I know, I just wanted to just give you a few gifts. I bought you a few bits.
Come
So,
in, sweetheart. Sit.
are you sure? Alright. It's a lovely diffuser for you. I've got you both some sweet treats from the bakery. I don't know if you're allowed them.
Down, have coffee and a piece of cake. You got time?
Yeah, I could do, yeah, but
Yeah.
I'm not finished yet.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, so this is the money back for the cleaning.
For what?
For the cleaning I done on the drive.
No.
Yeah?
No. I'm going to kiss him.
No,
Your work you did was brilliant.
no, I'm trying to, like I said
No,
to you.
darling, I can't have it.
No.
Thank you. God. I've never heard this in my life. Full of terror. I'm going to get you some cake. To do your bit.
Ah, thank you. I'll have a sliver. It's a bit early.
Oh my goodness, that's a big slice. How sweet of you. In fact, they're giving us the money.
Yes, I know.
Wow. That was incredible. See, I'm trying to sit here and come up with words I'm going to say for the outro, but honestly, I'm not quite sure what happened and how to process it, if that makes sense. Second trip round, trying to give the money back, and I had to eat the first round of cakes, of course, with the boys. But to now sit down, they invited me in, sit down. Alvira was 80 yesterday, and she gave me some birthday cake and a tea, and then just sort of explained to me why they didn't want to take the money, but I was trying to explain to them what the movement I'm trying to create. And yeah, I don't know, it was just a nice feeling. This is what I'm aiming to do. I want to do it every day of my life. This is what I'm going to strive to do. I love my business, what I built 8 years to do in providing services, gutters, pressure washing, carpet cleaning. But if I could not charge the individual and just make their day, and that to me will just be a dream, because you just see real emotions. Like Alvira gave me a hug and she was just shocked, and I don't know, I just feel alive. I don't know if that's, I've always had purpose to support my family and I've always worked so hard, but now I've got like a new purpose. I want to show my boys that there's other way around things. Like we can, I don't know how to put it into words, but so this is going to be it from now on. Just going to go fully into it, and if you enjoy this sort of content, come along, join me for the journey. I don't know how it's going to go. It's never picture perfect, as you can see, but this is it. Anyway, I'll see you in the family outro. Once again, thank you so much. Cheers.
Gonna get you. Papa, gonna get you. Gonna get you. Come here. Come here.
Who's that?
Papa.
Papa.
Oh, it's wobbly.
High five. We got puzzles. Puzzles.